A truck slams into a brick column at this Columbia Kroger. It sends a person to the hospital. Police say a woman accidentally stepped on the gas pedal instead of the brake.
Yeah, so I was just inside looking at the vanilla Oreos, just thinking who the hell would buy these. Next thing you know, the loudest fucking sound. A big ass truck busts through the front door going at least $120, 140. I'm in the middle of the aisle, so I ain't got nowhere to go. I see it coming at me. I'm like, I can't get got right now, bro. I got a brand new PS5 at home. Now is not the time, so I got nothing to do but to brace for impact. I see it coming. Big body, fucking totaled the bitch. I totaled. Did they tell you that? The wall didn't even total it. When it hit